year IT branch, and I am a web developer and data science enthusiast. And I am exploring myself in tech world. And also, I become GDSC lead first time. Of course, everyone become first time. Next, maybe from you. So now this is just about me. So now, first of all, we will see what is GDSC. So GDSC is a Google Developer Student Club community, and which is run by Google. So in this community, we grow together and we will learn peer to peer. If you face any doubt and you face any difficulties in any domain, whether in terms of technical or non-technical, but basically we deal in technical field. So Google runs four programs, which is our GDSC, GDG, Women Tech Makers, and GDE, Google Developer Expert. So that you will get to know after some time. So first we will see GDSC. So this GDSC is a global community. So you can see GDSC in everywhere, uh, in India and in America, USA, in every country you can find GDSC. There is a one website, gdsc.community.dev. So if you go on that website, so you can see all the events and all the chapters which are running by GDSC. So GDSC is mainly focused for undergraduate programs. As you know, before 1 year we were facing pandemic situation. So at that time everything was online. So we have learned that if we were connected to someone, so we get to know so many things from them. So that is why this GDSC is started. So where all the students and all the developers come together and they make some solution to some problems, and they start learning with teaching. So this is all about GDSC, and so this is our domain. So now I would like to call Aniket to deal with these domains.
Thank you very much, Watson. So, for all of you guys who have joined right now, thank you very much for joining first off. So, what I'll do is give you a very quick overview of what are the domains that fall under the GDSC and what we'll be trying to cover this year. So, for those of you that have not heard of these terms or have heard of it but don't exactly know what they are, this one's for you. So, AI and ML, these are the buzzwords basically. Right now, AI and ML is one of those things that everyone wants to learn but don't exactly know where to begin. So, AI is artificial intelligence and machine learning, and machine learning is a superset of AI. So, what you do is you try to mimic the way a human brain works into code. You, instead of feeding the code, you give it the problem and the solution, and the computer figures out how to reach that solution. That is AI. We'll be learning all about algorithms that go into this, how to train your model, different ways of training and testing these models. All of this comes under AI, and we'll be covering more about them in the future sessions. Next up, we have open source. Now, softwares, when they were developed first, you can think of them as being proprietary. In the initial stages of software and life cycle of programs, it was very expensive to develop them. So these programs tended to be closed source or proprietary. Like for example, if I ask you to make a change in the way Microsoft Word works today, you couldn't do it because the code is very much closed source. You just can't do it. Open source is a relatively old concept, but the idea behind is the code is available publicly. Anyone can go check it out, suggest changes, and then the maintainers of that repository, a repository is where all the code lives. The maintainers of that repository can commit and make sure that those changes are part of the program. So open source allows quick development and instills new ideas, because if I have an idea, trying to go through official channels, legal channels of a company in a closed source software is not always possible, but in an open source environment, it's very much possible that you can just go and suggest that change in terms of code and it will be implemented. Next up, we have web dev. Now, a lot of you guys will be watching this on the Teams client, which is for the web. That is one kind of website. There are many kinds of website. In fact, in the today's world, websites are just ubiquitous. They are everywhere. So web development deals with HTML, CSS, JS as the base languages and markup. And on top of these, there are other technologies and supporting dev tools and environments that you can learn to basically develop and deploy for the web. Next up, we have cloud. Now, you have to understand that when computers weren't so powerful, there was a very simple way of deploying these apps. It was the client server architecture. The server was a very powerful, humongous computer that could compute a lot of things. It was very powerful and it lived somewhere in the company that deployed its products, right? This was the concept of a server, and you were the client who would basically ask for data from the server, and the server would serve you the data via requests. The model of cloud is that instead of having to host that server yourself, do all the security yourself, maintain that hardware yourself, you can outsource this job with varying levels of abstraction. That is, as PaaS, as all of these things will be covered. You can give this to a third party who will just host your code for you, and all you have to do is make sure that you develop your code and then deploy that code. And some of the most popular cloud providers are AWS and even Azure, and Google has its GCP, Google Cloud Project. All of these are cloud providers who will basically make sure that your DevOps and development goes smoothly. Next is DevOps. Now, you have to understand that when softwares were initially developed, it was a very simple cycle of we understand the problem, we solve that problem in terms of code, and then we release the code, and that is where the life cycle of software ended. Okay. But in recent years, you would have seen, even with your most popular games or softwares, you see that there are recurring updates to these softwares, right? So the idea behind this is you take a software, you solve the problem, you release it to the customers or your clients. You listen to the clients, take their feedback, and then implement those features and push the updates into a new version of your app. So this continued cycle of trying to push new updates and making sure it works with the old app and is compatible with older versions of your own client all falls under DevOps. Okay. So that is DevOps. And lastly, we have mobile app development. Now, mobile app development is very similar to web development. Instead, the client is the mobile device. It could be an Android or iOS. But the only difference is that instead of developing a front for web apps, you develop a front for mobile apps. So that was all about domains. We'll be covering all of these in this year of the GDSC chapter, and we'll be moving on. What's it?
Yeah, thank you, Aniket. Nicely you have told about all the domains. So these are all the domains which will be dealing in coming time. So I guess some net is lagging, so I am switching off my video. So then we will continue. So yeah, this is all about domain. So now I will tell you what is the benefit of GDSC if you become a member of GDSC and if you join GDSC. So what benefit you will get? So first is opportunity to learn new skill. Yeah, uh, definitely. If you join us, we are planning to take some boot camps on technology like cloud, DevOps, Python, and also Web3. As you know, blockchain also is a booming skill nowadays. So, like all these skills, you will learn, and you will also get explore how you can learn these technology, because on internet or everywhere there are so many resources available, but we don't know which is good for us and what is right. So that way you will get too much opportunity. And secondly, webinars by experienced mentors. We will call some mentors who are expert in that technology and they will take these sessions. We are collaborating with some organizations, so they will send their employee, those who are working on that projects using that technology, so they will take that session. And third is hackathons and mentor guidance. Our lead 2020 lead Aditya Birangar and his team, they have won SIH hackathon. So uh, because of this GDSC and the knowledge what they have got, so for using that only they have won that hackathon. So that type of hackathons we will also conduct, and you can take guidance from him, and we will also call some mentors, those who will help you how you can win hackathons, and what are the benefits to take part in the hackathons, because nowadays so many companies are there, those can recruit you without any interview if you are a part of any hackathon and you have won any hackathon. So like that benefit you will get. And also we were planning rewards based learning. We will share some resources, and if you sign up on that URL, so you will get some credits, like on GCP you will get credit of quick labs. So similar way we are planning rewards based learning, so if you learn something so you will get some point. So this will be a most benefit to you. And we are also planning to tie up with the good company so that they will give you internship also. And second, we will be having ML Flutter web campaign from Google, as told by Aniket. In coming months, we will be having campaigns from Flutter and ML from Google itself. So sometimes they send their GD expert, Google developer expert, or sometimes we will call. So like that campaign, you will opportunity. And most importantly, you will build connections and network, because nowadays जितना अच्छा आपका ग्रुप होगा एंड जितना अच्छा आपका नेटवर्क होगा, उतना अच्छा आप सब ग्रो करेंगे. सो दिस इज द platform where you will build connection and network. You will get to know each other, and you will know people who are really working on something. So yeah, building connection and network. GDSC is a very good platform which connects you everywhere, because as I told earlier, GDSC is present everywhere. If you search on gdsc.community.dev, you will find more than 500 GDSC chapter in India. So like that. And also lastly, you will get swags and certificates. You will get some stickers and t-shirts and certificates from Google. So that will be a great show off in your career, or you can show off your friends. So like that thing you will get if you join GDSC. So these are our benefit. So now I will tell you overview of 2021. Today we are having our ex GDSC lead Pratik Kale sir. So he was leading in 2021. So nicely he has done everything. So now I am going through his legacy, whatever he has done. I am just forwarding this to everyone. So I am really thankful to all the ex GDSC leads. So now this was all overview. We have taken session on open source. 30 days cloud has done info session, and also Flutter bootcamp. So like that session is done in 2021. So in similar way, we will planning this year also. So if you will be with us and you will give us support as today you are doing, definitely you will get these new ideas, and you will get to learn new technology. So like that, 30 days Google Cloud was a big event last year. We know last year everything was online, but instead Pratik Kale is manage everything, and he has done very very well. So now in similar way, before starting, we will be having one quiz. So I would say you should, Aniket, can you share that URL in chat? So
Yes, Arun.
let's keep one quiz. So I will tell you quiz will be on Slido. So you go and you open Google Chrome or any browser and type Slido. So first URL you will see, that is slido.com, and we are having one code 3367 So you have to type this code. So you don't need to have any hashtag. So just type number 3367657. So I request everyone kindly join on this, because today who will win, we are having some special surprise for him or her. So I request team to share a link and code in chat. So we are starting. So there will be one surprise. Those who will win, they will get something. So let's start this quiz first. So I will activate the quiz. So now everyone join fast. So the code is 3367657. So I am sharing in chat. Yeah, 3367657. So you can copy from chat, or you can, and I am sharing URL also, slido.com. So guys, please be fast and join. We are having 14 participants so far. Mohit Jaiswal has joined. He boy. Oh, what is name? He boy has joined. Pratik is joined. Tanmay, Soham, Varsha, Piyush, Suraj, Dishant, Pranav, Adi. We are having 67 members, but only 31 has joined. So guys, be quick. So you join. Till then, I will I will move further. I guess people are joining. If you face any issue, you can type in chat box and our team will get back to that. So now I will tell you what is the upcoming plan of GDSC, how we will go. So guys, what will be our upcoming event? So this is our roadmap for coming year, that is 20 and 23. So in September, from 8 September to 8 October, we will having Jetpack Compose campaign. So you will learn the Android using Kotlin. Then we will be having 30 days cloud campaign. Then in January, we will be having Flutter event. As you know, Flutter is a cross platform which we can use to develop both mobile and website. And in between Feb or March, we will be having solution challenge. So this solution challenge is a boom for us, because if you see, we will be getting some live problems from Google and from UN, United Nation, and we have to develop that problem. So you will get more chance to explore yourself. So I must say, if you are doing any projects and your project is having that much capability, so you can contact to our team. I will share all the contact details further. So after that, we will be having TensorFlow event. So TensorFlow is a machine learning library which is on Boom, which is developed by Google. So like that, we will be having, and at the end, we will be having web campaign. So in web campaign, we will be developing some good websites using Google technologies. So guys, I must say, whatever we are doing in GDSC, we must have knowledge of one Google technology. It might be a Flutter, it might be a Android or GCP, but you must know any Google technology. Then only your project will be considered. So about solution challenge, you will get to know in coming time. So till then, you be active on our all social media. And now, before introducing our team, so let's start the quiz. So let me see. Uh, 51 members has joined so far. We are having 70. So I must say, more 19 members. You join fast. Then we will be starting quiz, and we are having some special surprise. So you be quick. Slido.com is the URL, and the code is 3367657. Okay, so now we are starting the quiz. So guys, you keep your eyes on that browser slido.com and you will see one question at a time and you have to select one right option from that. So now let's begin the quiz. So where is my screen? Yeah. We are also having now Niranjan Gire sir. Niranjan Gire also was a part of GDSC. So now let's start. So three, two. Okay, so guys, I will stop my screen. So guys, first question is when was Google founded? Okay, so 14%. Oh, so 64% has given 4 September 1998. Yeah, it is a right answer. Google has founded in 4 September 1998. So those who have selected right option, so they may have. So now I will share the result. So I guess you have seen the result. So now I will share the correct answer. Okay. So now let's move further. So now next question is on your screen is now. Who are the founder of Google? So you use Google every day. I don't say every day. In every second you use Google. I guess in online exam we have used so many times Google. Google was our Baba, those who have told everything. So now let's see. Okay, 8% has said Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Okay. Jeff Bezos and Mark Zuckerberg, 3%. Oh my God. Okay, now I will tell you the result. So, okay. So now will we move further? So now I will say the correct answer. So correct answer is second. That is Larry Page and Sergey Brin. So now we'll move further. So now third question is on your screen. So third question is okay. So here is third question. What type of cloud computing service provides raw compute storage and network organized in ways that are familiar from physical data center? So the option are IaaS, PS, SaaS, FaaS. So 5% has said PASS, 4% FASS. So now let me say the result. So now the correct answer is IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. So now let's move further. What was a version of Android that was named after a desert? So as you know, we are having Android version that is Oreo, Pie, KitKat. So you have to select which was a version which was named on a desert. So 14% has told Pi. So now let's move further. So I will declare the result. So 41% has told Pi. Yeah, it is a correct option. KitKat is not a correct option. So now let's move further. So now here is your next question. Which of the following language allow you to make cross-platform mobile app? If you were listening me, so you will be able to give correct answer of this question. So I will share the result. So result is here. Okay, 74% has told Flutter. Yeah, it is a right answer. So now let's move further. Okay, it is a very good question. What is the full form of GDSC? Let's see who gave right answer. Full form of GDSC. What is the full form of GDSC? Okay, some has said Google developer student club, Gmail developer student club. Okay, let me share the result. Oh, 79% has told Google developer student club. Oh, 19% has selected Google's. Google's is nothing. I just added it so that you may confuse. So now let's move further. So now this is the also a easy question. If you know what is GCP, Google Cloud Partner or Google Crime Partner or Google Cloud Platform, let's see. It is also shared by Aniket. What is GCP? So now let me share the result. So result is here. 87 has told Google Cloud Platform. Yeah, it is a right answer. So now let's move further. And this is a also interesting question. So here it is on your screen. Which of the following is not a search engine? Opera, BI, Bing, Google, Yahoo. Oh, 64% has selected Opera, 35 is Bing, 9 is Google, 7 is Yahoo. Now 6 is Yahoo, 6 is for Yahoo. It is tie. Okay, so let me share the result. So result is here. 74% has selected Opera. Yeah, so Opera is a correct answer. So now we are having last two more questions. So guys, I say those who are lagging behind, please give correct answers. So now let's move further. So which of the following is a type of cloud computing service? So as you know, we are having three categories. So this is one of them. Service as a software, software and a server, software as a service. Okay. So let me share the result. 81% has shared the software as a service. So okay, so this is a correct answer. So now this is the interesting question. Let's see who gave the correct answer. So who started GDSC in MIT AOE? Like who was the founder of GDSC in MIT AOE? So let's see who gave correct answer of this question. Who started GDSC? Amey Nerkar, Pratik Kale, Vatsal Jain, Aditya Biranga. So let's see. Those who were part of GDSC might be they have given correct answer. So let me share the result. So the correct answer is Amey Nerkar. Yeah, only just 29% has told Amey Nerkar. 31 is Pratik Kale. Okay, not an issue. It was a little bit confusing question. So now let me share the leaderboard. So now we will see who are winning. So guys, our GDSC club was started in 2018 by Amin Erkar sir. So he was our alumni. Those who have he has taken a lot much effort to started this club. I am just a man who is looking forwarding and taking this club further. So let me share the my screen and I will. Okay, so leaderboard is here. Now let's see who is winning. Oh, Pratik has won 10 out of 10. Is it Pratik? Is it Pratik Kale or who? Let's see. We will connect him. So and second is Purity. Oh, interesting username. Third is spoiler. Spoiler. Fourth is Kritika Rai and fifth is Sudarshan. Okay, so it is tie. 9 out of 10. Okay, so let's move further. So those who has won, let's see what he will get. So Pratik has won this quiz. So now let's move further. So now I will introduce to our team. So guys, I am just a, you can say I am just a man who is taking this club, but also I require a team and active student, those can make my thing active. So that's why we have formed this team. So we are having first our faculty advisor, Neha ma'am. So I guess Neha ma'am is joined. So I would like to call Neha ma'am. Neha ma'am is our faculty advisor. I guess she has joined. Okay, I guess today she is busy. Okay, she will join in some time. So Neha ma'am is our faculty advisor, and she is in SCT department, and she has done very well in SIH also, and she is very good faculty. If you go and ask any doubt to her, she will definitely help you. So let her join. So now move further. This is our team. So now our tech team is here. So I will call Satvik to introduce the tech team. Satvik, can you hear me?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah,
Okay, so part of GDSC, we have various the parts, the tech team, content team, and management team. The tech team consists of myself, Satvik, and Aniket Kumar, Mitesh Tank, Sahil Gupta, Ayush Nandanwar, Viraj Godar, Pratik Lagaskar, Omkar Shinde, Yash Sarnaik, Aditya Gautam, and Gauri Gupta. Whereas the content team, who manages all the social media and all, is consist of Femin Sheikh, Rugwa Dasibnis, and Vedant Ganguly.
yeah. So thank you. Now I will call Famin Sheikh from content team to introduce the content team. Famin, can you hear me?
Yeah. Hi, so this is Femi, and basically, I wanted to tell you about something very important. Content team is the backbone of any organization or group. The content team is responsible to convey all the sentiments, ideas, and thoughts in the best way possible to you all. So, on that note, I am Femi Sheikh. Along with Rukved and Vedant, we are the content team of the GDSC.
Yeah. So now I will call upon Pranav Nahai from management team to introduce the management team.
Hello everyone, I am Pranav Nahe. I am from management team. So as we have seen, last year also we have organized so many events. To organize these all the events and uh, create a coordination between all the members in this team. Management team is there for you, and the members of management teams have also Pranav Nahe, Sairaj Zarvi, he's from CS, Shreyas Bosle is from second year, Sahil Inamdar, he's from chemical department. Srihari Lande is from ENTC, and Prajakta Kedkar, he is from computer science department.
Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you, Pranav. So now we are having important and media and graphics team. So I will call upon Athar or Manali who has joined. Athar, are you here? Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm here. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Uh, so yeah, hello everybody. I am Atharva Bag and I am from Media and Graphics team. Basically, we are responsible for all the things happening around GDSC on the social media handles, let it be Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media platform. Uh, like talking about the graphics thing in the GDSC, like you would think that what is the non-technical thing doing over here in the like technical group. So in this century, like we all know that social media and attractive graphics is the way to communicate with the folks around the globe. I mean, everybody is interested in looking eye-catching things. Let it be minimal, let it be any video or reels, right? So this point alone is enough to know how important social media is. And so I would like to introduce the group members of mine in the media and graphics team. That is Manali Zadav. She's from third year BTech Computer Science, and Neeraj Belsare, who is from second year BTech Computer Science. So this is me, and we are the media and graphics team of GDSC. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Athar. So thanks everyone to introduce yourself and team. So guys, I must say this is only a team. Those who will be conducting and those who will taking and doing some task, but it is not the case. You will not be a part of GDSC. You also can be a part of GDSC. So what you have to do, you have to scan this code in your mobile phone. You can do now, or you can take a screenshot or a snap of this PPT and you have to scan this URL and this QR code, and you will redirect to URL which is our GDSC become GDSC community website. So this is our GDSC community website. Is it visible, Aniket?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yeah, so this is our GDSC chapter. So here you can see these all are our upcoming event as today info session is going on. So you will see all the upcoming event here, and these all are past event which were conducted by our beloved GDSC leads. I must say they have done really well. So these all were events which were conducted by them, Amey sir, Pratik sir, and Aditya sir, and these all are our partner. Now I am GDSC lead, so here my photo is coming. So now what you have to do, you have to just click on join us button. Actually, I am logging in, so that's why it is not coming. So you will see like that first sign up button. So you have to click on sign up button. So you have to make one account. So you can select any URL from here. So now let me select one my Gmail account. So as you will click on this, so you will be login on our chapter, and here you will see those all everywhere where GDSC is there. These are continent North, South America, Europe, Middle Asia. So what do you have to do? You have to scan that QR code, and after that you will redirect here. Now this join button has coming here, so you have to click on just this join button. So see, you are now a member of this chapter. Now you have become a member of GDSC. So like that you will become a part of GDSC. So it is a very simple step. You just have to scan this QR code, then you will be redirected to one URL, that is gdsc.community.dev/MIT Academy of Engineering Pune. If you are facing issue in QR code, you can go with URL. Yeah, URL is shared by Pratik sir. So thanks sir. So now, so guys, I must say, our Prime Minister slogan is there, "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas." So this is our club logo, "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas." So I must say कि आप सभी लोग इसको join करो. And इससे पहले जो team था, they will be just conducting all the events and like that. And if you are also having some suggestion and some ideas which we can use to move further, so our platform is open for you, and you can anytime contact to any team member. Here you everyone has introduced, so this is our team, and you can connect to anyone. सो यदि हम सब लोग मिलके काम करेंगे, तो हिंदी में भी बोल देता हूँ कि इफ हम सब लोग मिलके काम करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली हमारा भी ग्रोथ होगा. एंड जो मैंने अभी बताया व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ जीडीएससी, सो वो सब बेनिफिट आपको मिलेंगे. एंड जीडीएससी इज रियली अ वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म. लाइक अभी यहाँ पे, सो आई हैव नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉल अवर गेस्ट स्पीकर. So our guest speaker is Pratik Kale sir and Aditya sir. So before calling them, let me introduce themselves. So we will starting from Aditya. So Aditya has done recently MITEX internship. Using MITEX, he has gone to Canada. So this is also because of networking. Because he has good network, so उसको पता चला कि ये माइटेक्स नाम का भी कुछ होता है. तो इफ हम लोग कनेक्ट रहेंगे एक दूसरे से, तो वी कैन ग्रो टुगेदर. क्योंकि अभी जुड़ने का ही जमाना है. तो मोदी ने दोनों नारे दिए थे, आत्मनिर्भर भी बनो. तो अभी आत्मनिर्भर बनना है तो उसके लिए अच्छे मेंटोर्स भी होने चाहिए. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज आदित्य. ही इज डूइंग रियली वेल. And also we are having Pratik Kale. So Pratik Kale is now a GDG. He is in GDG, and also he is very active member in all the technologies, all the events are conducting by Google. So both are in fourth year. So first of all, I call Aditya to share his experience and how we go further and give us guidance. So, Aditya sir, over to you.
Hello, I'm audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, thanks. So I would like to congratulate you and the whole team, whichever you selected. You have selected a very big team. So I hope you'll like reach to the new height using this big team. And yeah, and our club has won like best student club award, and like it is doing really good in our college, conducting many events, and that events are really benefiting the students. So yeah, that you will continue, and yeah, so because of this club, you will get to learn many new things, and whatever you have explained, like that was very nice, and I hope everyone has understand. And like I just wanted to say you like all the best to the whole team, whole GDSC team, and yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Aditya. Thank you so much for your precious time. So, yeah, Aditya is here. So, you can see Aditya. So, Aditya was also a GDSC lead in 2020. So, he has done really well. So, if you are having any issue, you can connect to Aditya also. Recently, he has taken session on MyTech's internship or everywhere. So these are our mentors. I am just taking legacy forward. So now I will call Pratik Kale to move further. Over to you, Pratik. I guess, am I audible? Yeah.
Hi, Vatsal. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, you are.
Okay. So, चलो यार आज गणपति विसर्जन की छुट्टी है, आई गेस सबका हो गया होगा विसर्जन करके। तो थोड़ा कम्युनिटीज के बारे में जान लेते हैं यार। अभी वत्सल बोला कि जीडीएससी कम्युनिटी है, कम्युनिटी में ये सारी चीजें होती है, बट अपन ना थोड़ा बेसिक से स्टार्ट करते हैं। ठीक है, बेसिक से मतलब क्या, कम्युनिटी क्या होती है, कम्युनिटी का मतलब क्या होता है। तो थोड़ा सा अपन डिस्कस करेंगे कम्युनिटी क्या होती है, कम्युनिटी में कैसे तुम लोग को अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल सकती है। तो कुछ स्लाइड्स है यार, 4-5 मैं शेयर करता हूँ।
And guys, I must say, if you are from SY or TY, so you can make notes of it. And this is very important thing.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is visible.
ओके, कूल कूल कूल। सो जैसे मैंने बोला, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट डेव कम्युनिटीज। सो कम्युनिटी यार, आई विल बी स्पेसिफिकली टॉकिंग अबाउट डेव कम्युनिटीज विच इज बेसिकली डेवलपर कम्युनिटीज। बट ये जो मैं सारी चीजें बोलूंगा, इट कुड बी एप्लीकेबल सो टू अदर कम्युनिटीज। ओके ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। मैं कौन हूँ यार, नहीं तो तुमको लगेगा ये कौन बंदा आ गया यहाँ पे हमें ज्ञान दे। तो ऐसा सच ज्ञान देने तो नहीं आया, बस तुम्हारी थोड़ी सी हेल्प करना चाहता हूँ। ओके, सो ऐसे ही मेरी हेल्प की थी मेरे मेंटर्स ने। So I'm just giving back to the community. Okay, so my name is Pratik Kai, and currently I am event organizer at GDC Cloud Pune. So what is GDG? So as Vatsal introduced, Google Developer Students Club, which is GDSC. So GDSC is only for students, but GDG work on a big level. So it is like on city level. So GDG Cloud Pune is chapter of GDG, which is in Pune. So a lot of people from Pune attend our events, and that includes students, also working professionals. Okay, so as was Vatsal mentioned, I was GDSC lead last year. I have been part of GDSC MITAOE to be specific from last 3 years. So when I joined the college in first year, I worked as a volunteer with Amay Bhaiya. So he was my mentor. And next year, Aditya became the lead. So I worked then with core team. And the next year to that, I became the lead. And that's how, that is how my GDSC journey is. Okay. So I also, like to do graphic design, and I'm also a little bit of hobbyist photographer, you can see. Okay. So let's move on from me. So as I mentioned, community क्या होती है यार? What is a community? So this is my definition. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने गूगल से उठाया है. This is what I have experienced. So it is a group of people with similar interests. Okay, similar interest is बहुत important word है क्योंकि अगर interest सबका अलग है तो what is the meaning of coming together? Okay, so with similar interest, coming together to share their ideas and perspectives. Okay, so जब तुम लोग कोई भी कम्युनिटी इवेंट में जाते हो, कोई भी कम्युनिटी इवेंट अटेंड करते हो, तो तुम्हें ना अलग अलग लोगों से मिलने का चांसेस मिलते हैं जो तुम्हें इतना आसानी से मे बी वन ऑन वन कॉन्वर्सेशन में नहीं मिल सकता. तो दैट इज वन ऑफ द बेनिफिट्स. यू कैन ग्रो योर नेटवर्क. सो टू connect, learn and grow is the tagline, kind of, you can say, tagline of any Google community. You will see GDSC, you see, or GDG, you see, their tagline, you can say, is connect, learn, and grow. So you connect with each other, you learn from each other, and you grow together. So that is the ultimate goal we are trying to achieve here. Okay. So let's talk about benefits of joining community. So this applies to, maybe you can say, any community. So they help you learn. So as I mentioned कि यार सीखने के लिए बहुत help होती है. Let's say you are working on a project. Suppose तुम लोग कोई भी web development का project कर रहे हो, you are working with React and you have to use a specific library for something and you don't know कि ये library कैसे use करते हैं.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. Who is this? Is there any issue? What's up?
No.
Yeah. I thought someone was speaking. Okay, no issue. Okay, so yeah, where was I? So yeah, as I mentioned, they help you learn. तो मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा था कि सपोज तुम लोग कोई रिएक्ट का प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हो और तुम्हें कुछ तो npm लाइब्रेरी यूज करनी है, बट यू डोंट नो हाउ टू यूज इट. एंड यू कैन आस्क इन द कम्युनिटी कि यार आई एम डूइंग दिस थिंग एंड हाउ टू गो विद इट. तो तुम्हें ना वहां से बहुत सारे रिप्लाई आते हैं क्योंकि कम्युनिटी बड़ी होती है यार. वहां पे बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, वेरियस बैकग्राउंड्स के लोग होते हैं एंड दे आर हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू. तो तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम ना चुटकी में सॉल्व हो जाता है, तुम्हें गूगल करने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दे शेयर देयर आइडियाज. तो आइडियाज, व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय आइडियाज हियर, कि हर एक का पर्सपेक्टिव अलग होता है कि ये चीज हम लोग कैसे टैकल कर सकते हैं. सपोज देयर इज एन प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट, उसको कैसे टैकल कर सकता है, इसका हर एक का आइडिया अलग रहता है. सो यू विल गेट टू लर्न ईच एंड एवरी वंस पर्सपेक्टिव कि हाँ भाई ये क्या होता है, ये कैसे होता है. ठीक है. सो एज अ स्टूडेंट वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, बिकॉज द थिंग इज कि कॉलेज में जो नॉलेज मिलता है ना, वो एक लिमिट तक ठीक है यार. मतलब ठीक है, तुमने एग्जाम दे दिया, पास हो गए, ओके, दैट इज गुड. बट जो इंडस्ट्री नॉलेज एंड जो रियल वर्ल्ड एक्सपीरियंस होता है ना, वो तुम्हें कम्युनिटीज ही इंट्रोड्यूस करवाएंगी. ठीक है. एंड दे ऑफर सपोर्ट टू न्यूबीज. अगर तुम लोग अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हो कोडिंग, फर्स्ट ईयर में हो, सेकेंड ईयर में हो, तो दे हेल्प न्यू पीपल हु आर coming in the communities and trying to contribute. And the next thing, which is my personal experience with this, confidence boost. Now I am here talking with you guys, explaining all these things to you. But if you would have seen me in first year, now I was a very camera shy person, and I was not that good at public speaking. But through 3 years of GDSC and participating in communities, you can see the change in me, because I have gotten that confidence boost and I have spoken numerous times. So that has given me a confidence कि यार भाई मैं कर सकता हूँ, इसमें डरने जैसी कुछ बात नहीं है. ठीक है. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. यार अभी तुम लोग बोलोगे यार यहाँ ये कम्युनिटी में से मेरे को करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज कैसे मिलेगी, हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल. तो कैसा है ना, अभी suppose you are attending an GDG event and GDSC event, suppose, and the speaker is a Google developer expert. So Google developer expert are people who are uh, skilled in technology. So let's say I don't know you guys know him or not. So Shresh Patil, he is Google developer expert for Android. So he is very good in that. So that is what the Google developer expert tag shows. The person which you are talking to is an expert. Okay. And for these events now, lot of company CEOs and a lot of people who are working in big companies, they also show for these events. So you can connect with them there, and maybe you can, you can ask them, sir, I'm this a student. I'm in this college. में कोई मुझे ये आता है. Is there any opportunity in your company? Maybe internship opportunity. Maybe you can also get a full-time opportunity. But yeah, internships must. You can, हो सकता है. So I guess career opportunity यार बहुत बड़ी चीज है. So communities that I'm a part of. So yes, obviously Google Developer Student Clubs, MITAOE, ये kind of हम मेरा घर था 3 साल से. So तो वहां से मैंने start किया. Currently अभी मैं working as an event organizer at GDC Cloud Pune, and there is also another community, GDG Pune. So that is also a GDG. So basically, there are two GDGs in Pune, GDG Cloud Pune and GDG Pune. So I also volunteers sometime for GDG Pune, and I also attend their event. So I highly encourage you to check out these communities and participate. Try to participate in the events. Okay, so the help with the events is like you will get to meet a lot of new people and a lot of new experts, and also a few fellow students from other colleges also. So you'll build a good network. Okay, so here is an opportunity for every one of you. So as I mentioned कि बहुत सारे events and वो सब चीजें होती है. So do you want to experience a community event live? Here is the perfect opportunity for you. So on the 24th of September, GDC Cloud Pune is organizing a community day event, Google Cloud Community Days, which is in the Conrad Pune Hotel. I'll tell you about this event in brief. Okay. So when is this event happening? Saturday, 24th of September from 8:30 to 6 p.m. How it is happening? So basically it will be a conference where there will be around 500 participants and 10 plus speakers. So speakers will be, there could be some Google employees also. We are in planning to launch the speakers in maybe around 2 days. And where the event is happening. Okay, so it is happening at the Conrad Pune Hotel, which is there at Sangamwadi. And it is an offline event, so it is a very great opportunity because again, this is the second event which we are having offline after the pandemic has been over. So this is a very good opportunity for you guys. So what will basically happen in this event is, so this is the you can say the largest Google Cloud developer event in Western India, and it's the flagship event of GDC Cloud Pune. So this happens once in a year, and it is the largest event that is held by GDC Cloud Pune. And you can see that I have mentioned the website right below it, ccd.gdccloudpune.com, or maybe you can also scan the QR code for the registrations. Okay. Yeah, that is all from my side. And you can still scan the QR code here for registrations. And these are my socials. If you have any questions, about community and how can I, any questions about, college में यार ये ऐसा चल रहा है, इसमें क्या करना चाहिए, you can contact me here freely. मुझे message डालो एक, and I will be there to help you. Yes, I guess that's all from my side. And it was great connecting with all of you. And best of luck, everyone. And best of luck to the new GDSC team. Yes.
जो कॉलेज मैं एक स्टूडेंट हूँ सेकेंड ईयर का. मुझे भी मैंने फर्स्ट में जब आप लीड कर रहे थे GDSC क्लब, तब मैंने ज्वाइन किया. तब मुझे नहीं पता था कि है ना मतलब कॉलेज में इवेंट्स होते थे. आपने एक क्या भाईलैंग बोल के आपने ये किया था इवेंट, जब बहुत सारे क्लब थे. तब भी मैं आया, लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता था कि है ना बैकग्राउंड में भी इतना सब कुछ होता है. तो मुझे भी मैं मेंबर बन गया, लेकिन ये इतने इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज होते हैं ये सब नहीं पता था. तो मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर ऐसे चले गया. मुझे इंटरेस्ट है ग्रुप ज्वाइन करने में. अभी ये इवेंट होने वाला था, इसके पीछे भी बहुत सारा काम हुआ होगा, मतलब मेंबर एक दूसरे से बात किए होंगे. पर इतना सब कुछ चल रहा है तो वो मुझे नहीं पता था. मैं मेंबर हूँ, लेकिन मुझे इतना सब बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा है नहीं पता था. तो अभी मैं क्या करूँ? मतलब ये सब चल रहा है, ये इवेंट में मुझे पार्ट करना है। अब देखो आपने बोला कि है ना कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट होता है और पर्सनैलिटी डेवलप होती है, और आगे कुछ चाहिए मेंटर विंटर तो आप जैसे भैया रहेंगे। और आदित्य भैया के बारे में भी मैंने सुना है, उनसे भी बात हुई थी मेरी, लेकिन इतना सब कुछ बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा है नहीं पता था। तो अभी मैं क्या करूँ, फिर
तो
से
देख अभी,
कांटेक्ट करूँ?
हाँ तो देख आदित्य को तो कौन नहीं जानता भाई। और भाई लैंग का जो
हाँ
बोलेंगे तो हम लोग वो तो हमने किया था क्लब मेला के साथ में, क्लब मेला में था वो, तो मैं और
हाँ
आदित्य साथ में बैठे थे तब। तो अभी तेरे को समझा
हाँ
है कि क्या होता है, कैसे क्लब काम करता है। सो व्हाट आई वुड से इज कि ट्राई टू
हाँ
अंडरस्टैंड कि मतलब इवेंट कैसा होता है। एक मतलब अभी सपोज तूने ये इवेंट अटेंड किया, तूने भी वत्सल एंड टीम आगे और इवेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज करेगी, तो ट्राई टू
हाँ।
पार्टिसिपेट एज ए मेंबर फर्स्ट। ओके।
ओके।
तो तो तुम्हें समझ में आ जाए कि यार क्लब में चीजें कैसे चलती है, ये इवेंट कैसे होता है, इवेंट में क्या तरह का कंटेंट शेयर होता है, कौन स्पीकर आते हैं। तो एक बार वो समझ गया तो मे बी यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर।
ओके ठीक। तो फिलहाल कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगी क्या, मतलब एमएल आना चाहिए तो वेब डेवलपमेंट ऐसा कुछ?
सो हाँ, कोई तो एक टेक्नोलॉजी थोड़ी तुम्हें अच्छे से पता होनी चाहिए। दैट विल बी द मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट, कि यार तुम्हें एक्सप्लेन करना आना चाहिए दूसरे पर्सन को कि यार ये मुझे आता है, और सपोज किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो एटलीस्ट वो तुम्हें सॉल्व करना आना चाहिए।
ओके।
Yeah,
यस।
yeah.
तो
So any
और दूसरी
अभी न्यू लीड,
ईमेल
अभी न्यू
और
लीड
एक चीज,
चेंज हो गया है, तो अभी किससे कांटेक्ट करूं मैं?
अभी तुम्हें
आपको
इवेंट्स वगैरह,
एक काम, हेलो,
आदित्य ही सही
हाँ
समथिंग, हाँ
बोलो।
बोल आदित्य।
या, आपको है ना सबसे पहली चीज ईमेल ठीक से चेक करना आना चाहिए, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि
हाँ
ये रजिस्ट्रेशन और टीम रिक्रूटमेंट के ईमेल वो सब लोग भेज दिए होंगे, सबको भेज भी दिए थे, तो उस टाइम आपने पढ़ा होगा तो मे भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते थे। तो एक ईमेल रीडिंग अच्छे से करना आना चाहिए, तो वो एक आप मिस कर गए, तो उस पर भी आप ध्यान दो, और जो स्पैम वगैरह होते हैं उनको ब्लॉक कर दो। तो अगर वो ईमेल पढ़ लिया होता तो आपने अप्लाई भी कर दिया था, और मे भी आप इस टीम का पार्ट भी हो सकते थे। बट अभी रिक्रूटमेंट हो गए, फिर भी आप वेबसाइट से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो इस बारे में
ओके,
रिक्वायरमेंट।
थैंक यू।
yeah. So anyone wants to ask any question? So Q&A is open now. If you want, you can ask. You can type in chat box, or you can. So guys, I must say we have shared our social media handles, and also I will tell you GDSC MITAOE. Pratik, can you stop your? Can I share?
यस।
Yeah. So guys, we are having Instagram, LinkedIn, and we are also having our website. So guys, this is our Instagram handle. You can find us on Instagram. I must say you follow our Instagram account, that is gdsc.mitaoe. On LinkedIn we are having gdsc mitaoe, and on Twitter we are also having account. And if you face any doubt at any time, I guess you are asking some questions from Pratik and Aditya. So you can also mail us on dsc@mitaoe.ac.in. So this is our official mail ID. So if you give us any if you want to give us any suggestion or anything, anytime you can send us mail. And this is our QR code. You can be a member of our club. Just scan this QR code. So मैं बोलूँगा कि सब लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, एंड और भी कुछ डाउट हो तो आप लोग पूछ सकते हो. एंड एवरी टाइम वी आर हैविंग आवर मेंटोर्स आदित्य सर एंड प्रतीक सर, एंड ऑल्सो if they give us chance to connect Ame sir also, so definitely we will connect to him also one day. So these are our very precious mentors. So also
Hello,
in future, yeah, yeah.
Bhaiya, is there in WhatsApp group of GDSC?
Yeah, so when you become our member na, so you will be added in our WhatsApp group. So for in our WhatsApp group, you first join our join as a member. That is URL gdsc.community.dev MIT Academy of Engineering Pune. So after that you will be added in group. Okay.
Okay, bhaiya. Thank you.
Okay, so what I will do, I will share that group link so you can join now as you join. So any more question? Okay, so where is our, if anyone want to
I have
ask
a
any,
question.
yeah.
Like Pratik said, the event that is going to happen in Pune, GDG Cloud Communities. Can we students from SY or TY, can we attend that?
Yes, obviously you guys can register and attend that event, but let me make one thing clear because for the event actually we have already registered around 3,000 plus registrations. Okay, so it's not like if you register your entry is confirmed. There is a filtering process which the GDG team follows, and if you go through that filtration process, and if you fit in the criteria, you'll get your ticket and you can attend the event, and it is totally free of cost. There is no charge.
Yeah, okay, that's what I wanted to clear.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I have shared WhatsApp group link in chat. You can join that WhatsApp group, and also as I mentioned, you will get one surprise. So you are asking who can join in that event on 24th. So you will be receiving soon one mail regarding that. So you can read that mail also. And also today we will be having 5 winners. So I am typing their name in name picker. So लेट वी विल डू अ लक्की ड्रॉ. यहाँ पे लक्की ड्रॉ करते हैं एंड उसमें से जो एक विनर होगा उसको डायरेक्ट एंट्री मिलेगा उस इवेंट में. सो लेट सी कि वो कौन होगा. सो यहाँ पे हमारे पास प्रतीक एक यूजर नेम था, एक QWERTY था. सो आप अपना पूरा नाम यदि डालेंगे सो इट विल बी वेरी गुड. एंड फोर्थ नेम वॉज कार्तिक राय, सो एंड सुदर्शन. So these, out of these 5 members, so we will find lucky draw. So now let me share my screen. So guys, are you here? Pratik, QWERTY, Spoiler, and Karthik and Sudarshan. If you are here, please raise your hand. So we are here doing one lucky draw. So जो भी जीतेगा उसको डायरेक्ट एंट्री मिलेगा किसी एक को. So let's see ये कौन जीतता है. Oh, so we have a winner, Kartike Rai. So are you here, Kartike? Congratulations.
Yes, I'm here. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So can you switch on your video? We want to see you.
I actually can't. My laptop does not have an inbuilt webcam.
Okay.
I'll contact you personally or like write you a mail or something if you want me to do.
Okay. So where are you from?
Like I'm from the college itself, or like you asking like my birthplace or like what?
No. Now you are from where you have joined.
I've joined from like the official mail that was circulated. I'm part of the college itself.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, second year, computer science.
Okay, cool. So share all your mail ID and full name in chat box. So we will get back to you regarding your price. Okay,
Right.
so guys, that's for today. And thanks to Pratik and Aditya and all the members who has joined. So I must say सब एक साथ मिलके आगे चलते हैं. तो और भी किसी को डाउट हो एनी टाइम यू कैन कनेक्ट मी. My personal mail ID is vatsal.jain@mitaoe.ac.in. And also if you want my Insta ID, so you can find on our website. And we are also having GDSC website, and that is gdscmitaoe.github.io. So you please be active on our social media, that is Instagram and LinkedIn and Twitter and our website. So everything you will get to know. Okay. So those who want to ask some personal question, how you can start and everything. So you can connect me on my mail ID. I will definitely answer to that question. So any more question or let conclude this session. So I will call Aniket to conclude and give a vote of thanks, and we will signing off today.
Thank you,
I
Watson.
had
So, thank you all of you guys. You have all joined and more importantly stayed till the very end, which means that you guys were listening. So all of those who have been listening will definitely benefit. And uh, special thanks to Pratik and Aditya for joining and telling us about their experiences and some new things that will definitely be useful to all of us. So on that note, we actually have a question from. Okay. Boy, you've been asking in the chat. We'll answer to your question privately, okay? We'll get back to you. You can message us on one of our social media handles, okay? To the rest of us, thank you everyone for joining. You can all leave. And once again, thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, guys. Bye bye. Bye. Take care. Good night. Bye, Pratik Bhaiya. Bye, Aditya Bhaiya. And jo bhi join hue.
Sure.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. It was nice connecting to you.
Bye. Thanks.
Bye, guys.
Thank
Be
you.
active.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, Aditya. You are saying anything? Okay, bye.